Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Iowa. Now, Iowa is interesting. It is a bid down ownership interest state by state statute. What this means is that the person who is willing to accept the lowest amount of ownership in a piece of property in the event that that lien becomes foreclosed is the winner at the auction. So in this situation, if a lien was foreclosed, you could be a 99% owner, or you could be a 50% owner. Technically, if the bidding got to the point, you could own just 1% interest in a piece of property. Then you would have to file a court action to sell that property, and then of course you'd split the proceeds proportionately in order to get your 1% back. As you can see, this can be a very, very complicated issue. Instead, to avoid this confusion and complication involved with the bid down ownership method, most treasurers offer the liens to be sold in rotational or random type methods with the traditional 100% ownership. The chosen bidder, chose at random or in rotation, can then choose to pass if they don't want to invest in that lien. Now, the lien can be redeemed for a period of up to 2 years. If the lien is redeemed during this time, the investor will earn interest in the amount of 2% per month on their investment. 24% per year, of course. If the property does not get redeemed, after 1 year and 9 months, the investor can begin to terminate the rights of redemption. The first step to this is filing a 90-day right of redemption affidavit, followed by applying for your tax deed. Now, the redemption rights can't be terminated for a piece of property until 90 days have elapsed since this affidavit has been filed. This is a very, very important tool in Iowa. Iowa tax sales are held the third Monday of each June and are usually held in person only. But you are allowed to send an authorized representative to bid on your behalf because you can't be more than 2 places at once. Registration is required and will usually be done before the auction date. Also required are non-refundable registration fees in some counties, as well as fees to have an authorized agent bid for you. So expect to pay to register. The best way to get started is a simple Google search of the name of the county that you're interested in, followed by the word treasurer, then browse their website to find the tax sale information. To learn more about Iowa tax foreclosure law, you can head over to Google and simply type in Iowa Code Chapter 446 to read all of the legal information about the tax foreclosure process. I really hope you've enjoyed this breakdown of Iowa's tax foreclosure laws. For information on other states, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on the state guide. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.